Let's look at the funky shape. Ball up top, square, and then spiral up top. Someone I know has to repeat this, you all. Square down bottom, spiral up top. How much is this one? This one looks like a little person. Oh, they don't have a price. It's probably $500. Oh, look at this camellia in bloom. Wish my camellia was shaped like this. This is beautiful. October magic is this camellia, you all. Okay.
And see happily and family, fun gardening.
So I'm at my favorite nursery looking at junipers. And you all want to know why I'm looking at junipers? I'm glad you all asked. Oh, beautiful. Because my star over there, if y'all can see on the back of my truck, let me stop moving. My star died. And so theirs are dying too. So it's not just me. This is how mine looked. And I couldn't save it. So they're going to take a loss since he was able to see that his died too. So I have $159 that I can buy another one for $229. No way. I want a double ball. This double ball is $300 though. Look at it. Today is my Christmas. Ooh, $159. The triple ball. I can have a triple ball. And this triple ball is taller than I am. Look at it. It's a Carolina sapphire. I can just do an even swap. My son is down there trying to. $50 for a goshiki. Oh, man. Oh, that goshiki hurt. Oh, my goodness. There's another goshiki. Oh, you all. Take a guess. $300, I'm sure. $300 for that beauty there. $149. I love the blueness of the color. Oh, that hurt. It hurt. Blue star juniper. Oh, y'all, I love the blue star junipers. Now, the thing about it is blue star junipers can be difficult to keep alive when you put them in that Georgia clay. I would hate to not support life in that plant because of what's in my ground. Oh, that one's $200. So the smaller one over there is less. Okay, I know what that is. Oh, okay, I might spiral mine because I got that variegated boxwood. Legend, come on this way. Come here, Papa. You all, these are all azaleas, but let's see what else. Plum use. Oh, look at those barberries. Beautiful. I have one of those barberries. So this is what you do when you want to come see what gives you fall color. Carex, Southern Living, Avarero. That we just gonna call it Avarero. It's easier. Oh, do you all see anything that you might like? I'm just recording away. Oh, what is this? Gara. Oh, that Gara is struggling. My Gara looks better than that. Oh, this looks beautiful. Oh, I know what these are. I have these, I'm sure. Yeah, Euphorbias. $8.99. When these go on clearance next year at Lowe's, get them. You won't regret it. $5.99 for this blackbird. That blackbird is really pretty. $5.99 though. Oh my gosh, they're gorgeous. Do y'all see that? Oh. Okay, so they have the smaller balls. Maybe this one is less. This is a green mountain. They don't have a price on the smaller one. Oh, look at the toothpick. Yeah, those green mountains, they don't have prices on them. We'll find out. Well, I don't even have my mask on. Oh, it feels so good, y'all. It's like 70 degrees. Oh, look at all the cabbages. Let's go look at the cabbages. Just beautiful. Right there. Imagine if these was on my front steps. Osaka white. Oh my God. It would be so cute, but am I trying to? Oh my God, look at how that stands up as one limb. Oh, now you're trying to go home with me. It's trying to go home with me for $10. Oh well, I'll think about it. Look at the other cabbage. Now that looks like we can just eat that on up. Oh, look at that. Is that a fern up there? It looks beautiful. It's just like touch me. And all of the coral bells for $8.99. I need more of these. These are just too gorgeous. This is Velosa. Hi, Velosa. I think I want to at least get one of them. Here's their few hostas. They don't have anything major. You all know where I go for hostas. The bigger variety. All right, y'all, let me go pick what I'm going to buy. Oh, Legend took the pumpkin, just like a kid. Legend, you love gravel. This is why my gravel don't ever look that good. It's about time for me to choose. I do have a hookah.